What's going on, family? I am on a new job site today. This is a new Amazon facility that is going up, and I'm gonna be working on some of the bay doors back here for the big trucks when they come in and they take their stuff out to put it on the levelers. I'm gonna be, I think, welding some of the levelized systems in for the dock doors, and it's a lot of them. They wrap around this whole building. Pretty much that's how the trucks come in and unload. I think this is a shipping location. I'm in some part of Arizona. It's called, start off with a W. I can't remember the name of it. I had to look it up again. But as you see, it got a lot of work going on out here. They've been out here actually right before the sun came up. I'm actually waiting on the guy now to let me know what area I need to go to. But I'm out here networking, man. Hey, making things happen. You have to think outside of the box and network your skills on all levels. You know what I mean? So never get caught up in thinking that there's only one way to get to where you're trying to get to. HogOn.